Hey friends, Max here again. Today's story is about something people rarely talk about. Not how to earn money, not how to save money, but how to use money wisely. Because the truth is simple. Most people don't succeed because they lack money. They fail because they misuse the money they already have. Let me tell you how I learned this lesson the hard way. The time I wasted money without realizing it. A few years ago, I got a sudden freelance payment. It wasn't huge, but for me back then, it felt like a small fortune. I remember walking into a store and thinking, finally, I can buy whatever I want. New shoes, fancy headphones, some clothes, 2 restaurant meals, a random gadget I didn't even need. By the end of the week, the money was gone, completely. Not a single dollar left, and the worst part, nothing I bought actually improved my life. The shoes got dirty, the headphones broke, the gadget collected dust, and the restaurant meals, I don't even remember the taste. That night, as I looked at my empty wallet, I realized something. Money disappears fast when you use it emotionally instead of wisely. The meeting with the man who never wasted money. A few months later, something interesting happened. I met a man named Mr. Lawson, a retired teacher, not rich, not flashy, but incredibly stable, calm, and wise. He once told me, Max, most people think getting rich is hard, but using money properly is much harder. I asked him, what do you mean? He smiled and replied, there are 3 kinds of people. 1, those who waste money. 2, those who save money. 3, those who use money. Only the 3rd group becomes truly free. I looked at him, confused. Aren't saving and using money the same? He shook his head. No, saving protects you. Using money strategically improves your life. That sentence changed everything. The 4 smart ways to use money. Mr. Lawson taught me a rule that completely transformed my relationship with money. He called it the 4 wise uses of money, and I want to share it with you too. 1, use money to buy time, the most valuable resource. He told me you can earn money again, but you can never earn back time. I realized most people trade their time for small conveniences or distractions, but wise people spend money to save time. Examples: paying for transport instead of wasting hours walking, outsourcing work that drains energy, buying tools that speed up your job, investing in skills that accelerate your growth. When you use money to buy time, you upgrade your entire life. 2, use money to improve your skills. This was his favorite rule. He said, skill investment is the only expense that pays you forever. Think about it. Learning a skill, buying a course, attending a workshop, buying books, improving your mindset. These don't disappear after a week. They stay with you for life. And the more you learn, the more valuable you become. At one point, I spent $40 on a skill course. That $40 later helped me earn thousands. That's when I realized money spent on knowledge never goes to waste. 3, use money to protect yourself. This part surprised me. He said, money's first job is protection. Protection means emergency savings, insurance, health expenses, safe living environment, basic security. Most people ignore this until disaster hits, but wise people protect themselves before trouble arrives. And trust me, when you feel protected, life becomes so much easier. 4, use money to create more money. This is the power people ignore. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. You must put money where it can grow. This could be investments, business tools, side hustles, creative projects, better equipment, income-generating systems. Even small amounts matter. When money starts working for you, instead of you working for it, your life changes forever. The wrong way people use money. Mr. Lawson also explained the wrong way people use money, and I realized I had been doing all of them. 1, buying things to impress others. Temporary pride, permanent regret. 2, emotional spending, shopping because of boredom or stress. 3, buying wants before needs. This keeps people broke. 4, spending without tracking. If you don't respect your money won't respect you. 5, living above your means, trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. After listening to him, I realized it wasn't that I never had money. I just never used it correctly. The day I applied his advice, 1 month later, I got another payment. This time, instead of rushing to spend it, I asked myself, how can this money improve my life? I split it into 4 parts: skills, protection, investment, lifestyle, just a small part. I bought a course that improved my animation. I saved a portion for emergencies. I invested a little in a small project, and then I used a tiny bit to enjoy myself. And you know what? For the first time in my life, I felt in control. My money wasn't disappearing. My money was working for me. How using money wisely changed my life. Over months, I noticed huge changes. I stopped buying things I didn't need. My skills improved faster. I had savings for emergencies. I earned earned more because I invested in myself. My stress reduced. My confidence increased. My lifestyle improved slowly but steadily, all because I learned how to use money, not just spend it. And that's when I realized money is a tool. If you use it wisely, it builds your life. If you misuse it, it destroys your life. Final message from Max. So here's the biggest lesson from today. Money has power, but you decide how that power affects your life. Use money to gain time, grow skills, protect yourself, build your future, create opportunities. Not to impress people, escape emotions, buy things you don't need, live a fake lifestyle. Wise utilization of money leads to freedom, confidence, stability, happiness, growth, better relationships, a better future. So remember, it's not how much you earn, it's how smartly you use what you have. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you never miss a story or a lesson from me, Max. Let's keep learning, growing, and evolving together.